Hey guys, what's up? Today in the video we are going to show you how to fire up a Ubuntu machine into Kali Linux. So on the right side is the Ubuntu machine which we are going to change into a Kali Linux machine. So let's begin. Before we start, we first need to install the Git on our Ubuntu machine. For that we need to just give a command apt get install git. By the time Git gets installed on our Ubuntu machine, I'll tell you about the repository that we're going to clone into. It's called KATOOLIN. You can easily search it on Google, and the very first is that repository which we will be requiring to turn our Ubuntu machine into Kali Linux. So this is the particular repository. It's made by some lionsec, and the repository just contains one important file .py file. It's a Python code. So this Python file, what it's going to do is basically it's going to add those Kali repositories into your Ubuntu apt-get source file, which allows you to download all the Kali tools that are available from the Kali Linux support. So I guess the Git is installed on our system. The next command will be cloning into that repository. For that we will be using the command git clone with a space followed by the repository link, which I have over here in my machine. Okay, so all you need to do is just copy this particular link and go to the terminal and paste it. So after you press enter, the Catalan repository will be cloned into your system. So it is done. Now we'll move into that particular repository, and this is that particular code which we'll be requiring. So all you need to do is just Python Catalan. So people, if you do not have a Python installed in your Ubuntu operating system, you can also install that using the simple command again apt-get install Python. So we'll now okay, we have fired up the particular Python code. It's a so the word Katulin comes up over here. Since the screen is small, you won't be able to see it. So the very first step is we will be requiring the Kali Linux repositories inside our operating system, so that we can download all the Kali tools to turn our Ubuntu machine into Kali Linux. So we'll go with the option first. Okay. So first we need to add the Kali Linux repositories and press 1. So it's going to take now the repositories has been added. All we need to do is just update our repository so that we can download those particular tools. And so people, by the time the repositories are getting updated, I'll tell you one important warning which is given over this GitHub page. The warning says that before you update your system, please remove the Kali Linux repositories. So mostly Ubuntu users, before installing or updating doing any changes in their operating system, they always use a command called as apt-get update. So what that update command is going to do is it's going to fetch all the repositories that are there in the apt-get sources. So since using this particular Python file, it's going to append the Kali repositories also. So in case you're going to do that particular command apt-get update with repository Kali repositories also being added into that particular file, there are chances that your system might get crashed. So before you use that particular command, make sure you have rolled back the changes of your Kali Linux, adding the Kali Linux Kali Linux repositories over here. So I'll show you how that is done. Okay, it's going to take some time. Now the update procedure has been done, and now we are ready to install any Kali tool on this Ubuntu machine. So I'll show you how it is done. So adding Kali Linux repositories is done and update is done. you need to type back so that you go for the previous options, and press 4 to get the Kali menu, and just going to take a few seconds. So now the repositories has been added and update has been done, and Kali menu has also been installed. All we need to do is just press the button 2 and view the categories. So all the tools that are available in Kali, for example, like information gathering tools or vulnerability assessment, wireless, web application sniffing, reporting, and all this, like on this side you can see all the categories of the tools are there. So for example, I want to install some forensics tool, so I'll give an option 9 over here, and I can see all the forensics tools that are available in the Kali Linux are listed over here. I can just to install, I need to give the option number. So for example, I just need to install the very favorite one, binwalk. I just need to give option 1 and press enter. So for time being, I don't want to install these tools, I just wanted to show you how these things are done. I'll go back, and like for example, you want to list all the tools. Okay, pressing the 0 option over here is going to install all the tools, which I wouldn't recommend you people to follow, because every penetration tester is going to require only few set of tools that is going to use. So choose your best tools and install them. So like another, you can see we have web application attack tools also. So I can go with the option number 4 and see the very common tools over here. So just select the option and install. So with this we are done. And yeah, so one more thing, go back. Yeah, so just to exit, you can go with a combination of Control C, and the tool is done. So I hope you must have liked the video. Friends, do subscribe our channel. We are going to upload more new interesting and techie videos. Thank you for watching.